Well, here it is. This job, a lot of work here. That looks pretty cool. Let's see. It's gonna be badass. Ooh! All right, here's the finished basement trunk line, crisscross, superstar, keg room action here. It looks like some sort of tugboat or something. Black hulls come up the wall here. This one ties in right here. That one ties in right there, and then there's this where they swap over again. We've got about 1 through 6 upstairs and downstairs. Eric did this keg room. Great job. And then we've got the opposite side of the room. Looking good, looking good.